Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making this super easy hummus recipe. Let's get started. So I have my food processor ready, and I have my chickpeas, which I've slightly roasted inside of the oven till they are about golden brown color to give it more of a richer taste. To the food processor, we're adding the chickpeas, and now we're going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of oil, or just over 1 to 2. And then we're going to be adding some cumin, some salt, peppers optional, and some lemon juice. You can also add tahini if you wish. And we're going to give this a blast. So I'm just adding some more liquid, so this is just some water to give it more of a consistency. So this is right now. So this is the texture right now, and you can give it a taste try and just see how much more spices you need to add to your taste buds. So I just added some diced garlic and some more salt. Alright, this is the finished result. It turned out really great every time, and it serves great on bread, like pita bread for example, or you can put it with rice or any side dish of a meal or a platter. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!